Pollo just released a new agent mode. And I gotta say, it's pretty scary. How it works, it's pretty simple. You need to go to the agent mode and you have different options. You can clone the style of a video, create an UGC type of ad, maybe a news video, music, or just a story. To show you how this works, let's clone a video. Once you see how well this works, you will want to see the other ones. From the drop down, I need to select the type of video. I will go to clone, and then you just need to prompt what you want. I'm going to say that I want to create a similar video too, and I'm providing the link to the video I want to clone. And this is how the agent works. It will take a look at that video, that link, and it will try to create something similar. Then I will go here and upload a file. Let's say that this is my product and I want to create a video about that. I'm asking the chat to use the attached image reference as product. On this prompt, you can add as many details as you want, but I will keep it simple to see how the agent handles my request. Once you start it, it will analyze your prompt and everything that you're providing, and it's like talking to a Gemini or a chat. It will go step by step, letting you know what's the reference, analyzing everything, and then it will tell you what it wants to do. Before it continues, it will ask you a couple of questions. In this case, how long is the video? And again, it's just like talking to Gemini. I'm going to say 10 seconds. Once you provide a response, it will move on to the next step. The next step is the plot. It tells you the plan and what it will do. If you don't like something, this is again like talking to Gemini. You can go right here and say, I don't like the shot number 1, or I want this change, and the agent will just rethink everything and propose a new idea. This idea sounds good to me, so the only thing we need to do is to say continue. And that's it. We just don't need to do anything else. We just need to wait. How many steps was this? If I go at the top, we have the first command or prompt. It's just one step, then 2 steps, and then we have the third step right here. I mean, it's just super simple, and I guess that's the point of using an agent. As the video is being generated, it will propose 2 different variations. So it's taking your idea and proposing something within the same vibe. Let's try the number 2, and the only thing you need to do is to say 2 and then just continue, and it will create a new job for you. Okay, so let's see. Let's see the party edition. Okay, so first of all, Pollo AI is not paying me to show you this. I can just freely give you my full opinion. Is it as good as the original reference? Of course not, but it's pretty damn good. And to be honest, I was a little bit skeptical at first and maybe just a little bit scared. I mean, it's just 3 steps and it's creating something that looks good. Now, if you try this, be aware that this is still on beta, on public beta. So I think you can expect some glitches here or there. Now that you know how it works, let's see the other ones. We can create an ad, maybe a news video or a story or music. I'm going to go to this one because I really think that this is useful. With this one, we can take a link from a web page, let's say from Amazon, of a product, and then just provide the link and it will create an ad for us. We'll go here, select this one, and then we just need to paste the prompt. Again, it's a very simple prompt. Use this link, and it's a link to an Amazon product, extract the info, the images and videos, and create the video for us. Still, you have more options. You can select up to 30 seconds, of course, but then it says general. If you click on here, you can select different formats, and at the bottom, you can select the ads platform. I'm going to keep general and then English and just move forward. And it's almost the same process than before. The agent will ask some questions and we just need to confirm and continue or make some changes. In this case, it's asking me the ratio and the duration and, the settings. I'm going to accept and confirm. Did I just say accept and confirm? The next step is the product confirmation. You need to review all the different images that it will use, the product description, and the title. Here you need to read and make sure that this is what you want. On the next step, we just need to confirm what is the style that we want. I'm going to select the number 1, so I will go at the bottom, say I want the style number 1, and then just run it. Before it goes to create the final video, it will propose or just give you different previews of what you can create. And you just need to go right here to play, just press play, and it will give you a preview. You just need to select the one you like the most. I'm gonna go with this one and select 1, but you can select many. Let's say that you want different variations. Well, I can select 3 and it will create the 3 videos for me. I will just select 1 and then just go to the final step and get the video.
I can proudly say, give me the best jacket you've got. With the Nordco Pro jacket, it's that rare find that promises comfort and style perfectly suited to you. That's exactly.
I gotta say, it's just pretty good. There's one tiny little problem, which is the music. Maybe it's just too loud. Could be great if I could handle the volumes and upload my own avatar. So what I did, I just sent an email to Pollo and asked them about this. And they actually replied, which I was not expecting at all. And what they said is that they are actually working on this because it's on beta, but also in a few days, there's going to be an update, and adding the avatar will be a possibility. Let's try one more. Why not? I guess I will go to the story video. This is my prompt created documentary video about the invention of the light bulb. Then you select the settings like 16:9, 30 seconds English, I guess that's fine. And then I will go to the template. You just need to select the theme or template. And I feel that history, it fits what we want to do. So I will just continue and start the whole process. And as before, the agent will ask a few things. It will fetch the story for me and then just trying to confirm what we want to do. Again, the only thing we need to do is to say continue. The next step is confirming the narration. As before, if you don't like this, you can ask for different variations of the narration. And again, you can be very conversational. It's like talking to any other chat. Let's say be more dramatic. If you prompt for something that the agent or the model cannot do, it will let you know. Don't worry. We get the final settings. Again, we just say continue, and that's it. We just need to wait.
1,000 defeats, 1,000 nights swallowed by shadow. But Edison would not bow. In 1879, trembling hands held a filament and it blazed. Darkness lost. Humanity won. And the modern world was born in a single, burning moment.
All right, so that's it for this one. Let me give you my conclusion. Personally, I'm more of a do-it-myself type of guy. If I can use a real camera, I'll use it. Or if I'm going for an AI solution, I prefer to create my own storyboards, grab my own stills and frames, and build the whole thing myself. But if you're looking for something easier to get your projects moving, or maybe you're running a business and you just need to scale, well, this is a very good option. As I said before, this is on public beta, so you can just jump in and try it. I will be posting a follow-up video showing the final version once it gets released. So stay tuned. If you liked all of this and you learned something new, remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Don't be a stranger.